Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So Motorola is set to launch its first smartphone with a pop-up selfie camera. More details have surfaced online, including rumors of its being called Moto One Hyper. There's currently no word what the new Hyper moniker will refer to, unlike the Action and Zoom, which were referenced to a camera lens on the device. So feel free to comment your thoughts on this. Phone with pop-up selfie camera have been around for quite some time now, but this is for the first time that Motorola seems to be interested in this design trend, after having come with the slew of punch-hole display phones, including the Moto One Vision. The motorized camera module will reportedly come with a 32-megapixel sensor, and on the back, the Moto One Hyper is shown with a dual camera setup with a 64-megapixel primary camera, which could be the Samsung sensor seen on the Redmi Note 8 Pro and Realme XT, and there is also a secondary depth sensor. There will also be a physical fingerprint scanner on the back for biometric authentication that should double as a notification LED as well. In one of the images, this ring, which is also home to the Motorola logo, was seen all lit up. The report notes that Motorola One Hyper will feature a 6.39-inch IPS LCD display with Full HD Plus resolution. Also, the report suggests that Motorola will use the Snapdragon 675 chipset this time around. This will be paired with 4GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage. As for battery, it gets a decent amount of battery life with a 3600 mAh. It is not clear whether the device will be certified as Android One device. Motorola One Zoom is not an Android One device, and it includes modification to Android to support motion gestures and peak display, and it seems that it will launch with Android 10. There is still no word on when the Motorola One Hyper will be released or how much it will cost. So stay tuned for updates about Motorola's pop-up selfie camera smartphone. And that sums up what we know about this device. Anyways, thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Peace out.